Today we have to create a function, and what we have to return is the count of occurrences of letters that can be found in the first argument, the string. Well, let's have a look here. First of all, we have to iterate through the string. So for occurrence, for example, occurrence in string, print occurrence. There we are. And the only thing we have to do is to count how many times the O comes along in this iteration. 2 times in this case. So what we can do is to define a condition if occurrence is equal to the letter, in other words, the O. Then we have to count something. So let's create a counter, which is equal to 0. And this counter should be increased with 1. So counter is counter plus 1. Let's return the counter here. And there you have it too. And as an extra tip, you can abbreviate this as follows. Plus equal sign 1, and this is actually the same. There we go. Let's test it out. Works as designed. Hope this video has been useful and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.